Hello, and welcome to my PBFit Fudge keto-friendly fat bomb tutorial. As with any recipe, please purchase the appropriate ingredients before attempting to make this treat. If you are unable to source the required ingredients in your local grocery store, supermarket, or health food store, consider buying online. If I ever become an Amazon affiliate, I'll put the appropriate links down below. This fudge calls for 1 cup of PBFit, hence the name, 1 cup of coconut butter, not coconut oil, 1/4 cup unsweetened vanilla-flavored almond milk, 2 teaspoons 0-calorie liquid sweetener, some heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons melted butter, 4 tablespoons granulated or powdered 0-calorie sweetener. For this recipe, the next step is to combine the PBFit with the coconut butter in a microwave-safe bowl. To make measuring the coconut butter easier, I pre-warmed it in its jar before scooping it into the measuring cup. Once combined, put the PBFit coconut butter mix in the microwave for 30 seconds, give or take. Stir some more and add the heavy cream. The measurement here is inexact because I couldn't be bothered to figure it out. Just look at the picture and make a best guess. It's not very sciencey, but cooking frequently isn't. Add this to your preferred blender. I'm using a Vitamix, but any blender should work. Because of how thick and irritating the mixing part of this recipe can be, you may want to use an immersion blender. I haven't tried it, or a magic bullet. My magic bullet attachments aren't quite big enough, so I haven't tried that either. I choose to use the lowest blending setting because with the Vitamix it blends so powerfully it just throws the mix away from the blades, never to return. At a low setting I can, with reasonable safety, coax the mixture back into the blades. This can take a few minutes and a considerable amount of patience, but once you are confident that the mix is well and truly blendified, line a loaf pan or whatever you have handy with parchment paper and remove the mix to the pan. Using whatever flat utensil you have handy, press the fudge down in the pan as smooth and evenly as possible. Now you can make the chocolaty coating. In a small saucepan, begin heating the butter. While the butter is heating, measure out and prepare the cocoa powder and sweetener. Once the butter is liquefied, add the dry ingredients and whisk away until well combined. Pour this over the fudge and spread it around. Place in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to set. I don't have finished project pics because 1. I created this while they were still setting up, and 2. I want you to discover what they are like on your own. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for anything else I post.